Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendaler. Yes, I know I've added weight. I'm on this medication and it makes me eat, like literally I wake up around 2 a.m. hungry. I can stay a whole day without eating, but now I eat so much. But yeah, it's making me healthy, so I'm super grateful to God and I'm happy. So my previous video, I promised that I was going to show you guys how to mix wheat gold. Yeah, how to mix wheat gold to make for facial cream to make your face light and white for those who want to whiten. So this video is actually for those who want to whiten but don't have that money to make it. They sell some facial whitening creams for 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. But what about those that don't have the money and they still want to look good? What about those ones? So yeah, this video is for you guys, okay? For those who don't really have that luxury of getting the 15,000 naira or the 20,000 naira facial cream, but you want to look good. This ingredient or this products I'm going to show you guys are really cheap. What you do is just mix them together and then you're good to go. And note, they contain SPF, so you can use it in the morning, you can use it any time of the day. It's actually really nice on the skin and you're going to get a really great effect on your skin. Okay, even though they contain SPF, don't forget your sunscreen. Okay, always use sunscreen, like in the mornings when you're going out. Like you can just have your sunscreen and then mix it. It's disturbing me. And my phone storage is actually really low. So I made a review on this and how to know the original and the fake. So you can check my previous videos, you're going to see there. So welcome guys. Please, if you're new, like, share and subscribe to my videos. And for my subscribers, we are at 188. I'm super happy. I'm super happy and I'm grateful to you guys. Like, God bless you, and whatever you desire in life, may it come to you. I'm super happy. Thank you guys. Okay, so let's just dive in. So the wheat gold, we're going to use the wheat gold. You can take part of it, or you can just mix everything together depending on what you want. So wheat gold is really small but it lasts. Yeah, it's really small but it lasts. And then we use clean cap. Clean cap is a tube used to treat acne and pimples, but it doesn't work on its own. Okay, I battled with pimples a lot, tried so many things, but it doesn't work on its own. And we have and it's also a spot remover. Spot remover brightens the face. Okay, so it's going to lighten you too. And we have quick clear. You see this quick clear? This quick clear does wonders. Like, not everybody sells this quick clear, but it does wonders. It's a quick clear remover, anti-facial face cream, sunburns, anti-pimple, acne, pimples, black spots, eczema, facial blemishes, eye cream remover, age spot, stretch mark. Okay, so this cream does wonders. Like, it does a whole lot of wonders, this particular cream, and I use it for pimples. So if you want me to, this is it. So if you want me to show you guys on how to use this for pimples, what to mix in for pimples in this quickly, leave a comment below. Okay, if I can get like 20 comments saying I should show, then I'm going to create the video. Okay, and lastly, we're going to use this sunblock. Can you see that? This sunblock is very popular. Like, it's in the market. Everyone sells this sunblock, this one, but it's knowing the original. Okay, most people say I use this and I use that, and then it doesn't work for me. Wait, you're not buying the original. You're not buying the original stuff. This one has a lot of fake. Sorry, it has a whole lot of fake. Like, most people go to the market and they just say, I want to buy sunblock, and they give you anything. They just give you anything, and then you accept. But when you know it, they will not cheat you. Like, I mixed something for someone with this product, and I went to the market and I said I want some block, this green one, and the woman just gave it to me. And then I opened it and I was like, okay, I don't know if you can see. It's light peach. And then she opened it, and then I opened it and I said, I was like, Madam, please, do you have the original? And then she looked at me and said, yes, so original is in that side. Let me tell you how to know the original of this cream. Original is peach, light peach color, and it's not oily. The fake of this cream is oily and it's dark peach. So when you go to the market, when they give you, open it and see. Open it and then look inside, because it's the same price. They will still sell the fake one for you 500 naira, and the original is 500 naira also. So when you open it, look at it. If it's oily, tell them you want the original. When you tell them you want the original, they will know that you know the product. You know, Nigeria things now. So now we see them. Anyways, this is a really small and also mighty cream. It removes sunburn. Yeah, let me see what they wrote here. I can't even read. Okay, pimple, sunburn, stretch mark, black spots, and eczema. That is what it's used for. It's also small but powerful. So these products here are really cheap. They are really, really cheap products, okay, that you can use, and then you're going to attain a glow and a whiter and brighter skin. You know, you have to take this with time though, but you don't need something that's going to whiten your face like overnight. So what you do, you just mix them together in a small container, and then use on a clean skin, please on a clean skin. Like, I know some people that sleep with makeup. You are destroying your face, you're harming your face. I'm a makeup artist. I'm the one who's telling. Like, I don't even dare to sleep with makeup. Once I use makeup going out, like for an occasion, the minute I get home, I clean it off, I scrub my face, because I use this when I'm going out. I use this foundation vase something, like, it's, your face will be like mud. Like, it holds it in. It's waterproof foundation, so even when you wash your face with soap, it's not even going to go. I'm going to do a review on it also. I'm going to do a review. Maybe I'm going to be making myself up, or I'm going to be making someone up while doing it, while using that foundation. Okay, it's a really good foundation, but you know, we're getting there. So if you want me to create a video on that pimple cream, leave a comment below. If I can get like 20 comments, your girls got you. Okay, so this is it. Just mix them together and use. Then don't forget to scrub your face. Like, so guys, make sure you do it on a clean, on a clean skin. Make sure you wash your skin first, then apply. You can also steam your face and then scrub. There's this brush, I'm going to do a review on it. I use in scrubbing my face also. It really works, and most people complain that the brush gives them pimples, and I'm going to show you guys on how to use it. That's not going to give you pimples. So like I said, the products are really cheap. This one for the Fit Gold, you can buy, it's sold for 1,000 and something. I don't know, but 1,000 or something. Clean cap 700. This sunblock is sold for 500. and this quick clear is sold for 1,000 naira. Not everyone sells this quick clear. Like, I think it's really hard to find. It's really hard to find where I am. So that's it, guys. Try it, give me your feedback. Okay, thank you so much for making my day, for making my channel what it is today. Let's hit 200 and then we'll go higher and higher and higher from there. Thank you so much, guys. I'm truly grateful. So like I said, if you want me to show you guys the pimple cream, leave a comment below and I'll do it for you guys. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So take care, and bye, guys. Like, my phone keeps on acting up, no space. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Okay, bye.